Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to choose colors using the eyedropper in Procreate. Now, the fastest and easiest way is a simple press. You can hold down your finger or the Apple Pencil and immediately the eyedropper will appear. And using this, you can drag it around and find the color that you want, like a nice, beautiful blue here. The next option we have is to touch this little rounded square we have on the side panel. Tap this and the eyedropper tool will appear again. And we can pick whatever color suits your needs. A nice little peach over here. These are the two main ways to use the eyedropper. But we have the option to go up here, press the little spanner, and come into Preferences. The next thing you can do is to come down to Gesture Controls. And if you select eyedropper, which is the fourth one down here, you have firstly the option to extend or decrease the delay of how long it takes for the eyedropper to appear when you touch and hold. So we can actually bring this down because 0.4 seconds is quite long. You also have the option to invoke the Apple Pencil double tap, which will allow you to double tap and bring up the eyedropper. So let's give this a little go. Now we should be able to bring it up much quicker. A quick pop, and there it is. And there we have it. They are the main ways to use the eyedropper tool in Procreate. If you'd like to get some free Procreate color palettes, I've got over 100 in the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Samson Voles, and this has been Procreate Color Picking.